Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. So today for the students of class 6, I would like to discuss about the estimation and expansion of bracket. This is the two topics which I will discuss today, and these two topics belongs to the knowing one numbers chapter number 1. So in the previous classes I have discussed about the notation, numeration, numerals, and international system, Indian system, and expanded form, and you can say place value and face value. So in this class I will discuss about the estimation. So इस क्लास में हम estimation के बारे में जानेंगे और ब्रैकेट को कैसे एक्सपैंड करना है उसके बारे में जानेंगे. तो इन दो टॉपिक के ऊपर हम आज जो है कि चर्चा करेंगे. सो स्टूडेंट्स, टेक योर पेन एंड कॉपी एंड स्टार्ट राइटिंग अलोंग विथ मी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट अवर टुडेज क्लास. सो estimation what exactly is the estimation? This is the point which you should know about. Estimation is nothing but approximation, approximate to a round of number. Suppose any number is given, then we have to find the approximate to a round of number. For example, suppose if 325 is given here, suppose 325 is given here, then we have to find out the approximate number of 325, round of figure. So here you will get that this is, if we remove this 25, then we will get a round of figure which will be 300. So this will be the round of figure, which is the approximation, which is the estimation. So there are certain rules through which we will just find out the estimations. One is the general rules. In the general rules you will find that when you are estimating any number to nearest round off, then you will consider about whether it is a 1-digit number, 2-digit number, 3-digit, 4-digit. Accordingly you have to mention. For example, if it is 100-digit, it is a number which is showing 100 figures. For example, 129. Then in this case you are getting that there is only 3 digits. So here you will just through a general rules you will just round off it into 100. If it is 159, then you are getting that 159. 59 is much nearer towards 200. So you will tend toward the 200. And in the case of 129, you are getting that 29 is tending towards 100. So here the round of figure will be 100. So there is a similarity, and from here you will find out that with the help of digit 5, you will identify that what should be the round off. If any number is above, is 5 or greater than 5, tending towards the next round of figure. For example, again I would like to write down here 29159. If any number, this is two numbers, if any number, suppose I am taking this number first, then here you are getting that if any number tending, if any number having 5 or more, having 50%, you can say simply that having 50% or more tending towards the next number, next round of number, then you will put round off as a next number. If it is tending less than 50% towards the previous round of figure, then you will assume, you will consider the previous round of number as a estimation. For example, in this case here you are getting that 29, you are getting that in 29, figure 2 is less than 5, it is showing that this number is tending towards 100. This is tending towards 100. Understood? And in this case you are getting that this is 59, and out of 59 you are getting this is 5, which is equal to 5. So if any digit have 5 or more than 5, yeah, you can say 50% or more than 50% tending towards the next round of figure, then you will take the next round of number as a estimation. And if it is less than 5 or less than 50%, then you will write down the previous round of number. For example, in this case here it is 50%, more than 50%, so you are getting here it is more than 50%, so you will write down here as a 200 as a estimation. So I hope you understand it. So this is through the general rule, okay, this is through the general rule. And there are a special rule also. For example, estimation nearest to 10, estimation nearest to 100, and estimation nearest to 1000. So firstly, a general rule. In general rule, estimation approximate to general rule, estimate approximate to nearest round of figure, nearest round of number, nearest round of number nearest round of number if it is more than 50%, if it is 50% or more than 50%, if it is 50% or more than 50%, tending towards next round of number, consider the next round of number as estimation. If less than 50%, if less than 50%, consider previous round of number as estimation. Example 123. So you are getting that here 23 less than 50%, less than 50%, or you can say R2 is less than 5, or digit 2, figure 2 is less than 5, hence estimation and estimation will be 100. Estimation will be 100. And again in 153 you are getting that it is greater than 50%. Here you are getting this number greater than 50%, or if you will consider this figure 5, you will find that 5 is equal to 5, hence estimation 10 to 200. 10 to 200. Here it will be 200. Here it will be 100. So this is through the general rule. I hope you understand about it. So take a screenshot immediately. Okay, next. So this estimation was through the general rule. Now I will tell you about the estimation nearest to 10, nearest to 100 and nearest to 1000. Since it was a general through general rule, so you should have a depth knowledge about the general estimations. On the basis of the general estimations, you can assume about the nearest to 100, nearest to 10, nearest to 1000. Estimation, next one is estimation nearest to 10, nearest to 10, nearest to 10. So if any number is given and you have to find if any number is given and you are told to estimate that number nearest to 10, then you have to consider the ones digit. You have to consider only the ones digit of that number. For examples, I would like to explain. Consider only ones digit. Consider only ones digit. Like example 1 yeah 259. So estimation, through estimation you will consider only for nearest to 10, estimation nearest to 10, you have to consider only for this figure. This is the ones digit. Consider only ones digit. You have to consider only ones digit, which is in this case is 9. If 9 is equal to or greater than 5, then the next round of figure will be, so next round of figure, here you are getting that 9 is greater than 5. So next round of figure will be the 260. It will be 260 because 9 is greater than 5. Okay, I hope you understand about it. 9 is greater than 5, that's why we will take the next round of figure. So it was totally 59, so it will be 260. Understood? In the same way, nearest to 100, estimation nearest to 100. So same here, you have to consider only the tens digit. Consider only tens digit. Consider only tens digit. Example, again if I would like to take 267, then through estimation what will be? Through estimation, so here you have to consider this digit. Here you have to consider the only tens digit. Understood? If this digit is equal to or greater than 5, then the round of figure will be the next number, matlab if it will be greater or equal to 5, then the round off. Now we will round off to this number. Here you have round off this number. Here you have make the round off for this number 59. You have to make the round off for this number, but here you will make the round off for the entire number, because here you can say for this number, because this is the for 100, so it is 100. Here it was only for 10, so it was 10 here. Okay, so you will get here to 300. You will get 300 because 6 is greater than 5. Understood? In the same way, nearest to 1000. Nearest to 1000. Estimation nearest to 1000. It means that if you have to make the estimation nearest to thousands, then you have to focus only over the digits which place is at the 100 positions. For example, focus only, consider only 100 digit. Consider only 100, yeah, you can say 100 digit. Example 2359. Now in this case you will consider for this digit. If this digit is estimation, if this digit is 5 are equal to 5 are greater than 5, then you will make the round off for the next entire 1000. For example, if suppose it would have here 5 are greater than 5, then the entire round off will be 3000. But here you are getting that the 3 is less than 5, so the entire round off will be 2000. So it will be 2000 because 3 is less than 5. So you are getting from these three different special characters that if nearest to estimation required nearest to 10, then you will consider only for the ones digit. If it is required for nearest to 100, then you have to focus only tens digit. If it is for the 1000, then you have to focus only on the 100 digit, like this. So students, this is very simple and I hope you understand about it. Take a screenshot. Okay. So this was the estimation, all about the estimations, and if you have any doubt in this topic estimations, then you will just write down your comment, write down your doubt in the comment box. And next topic is the expansion of bracket, bracket expansion. Next one is the bracket expansion. Bracket expansion. Bracket expansion. Why we need bracket expansion? With the help of bracket expansion, we can make our multiplication easy. We can make our multiplication and subtraction easy. You can say multiplication easy. Understood? So for example, bracket expansion means nothing but for any number you can say, okay, for any number, A, B and C, A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. A into B plus A into C. Understood? So is equal to A into B plus A into C. So you are getting here that this bracket expansion will help you while you will make the multiplications. While you will make the multiplication, in that case you will apply here. For example, suppose I am giving that multiply 25 into 107. What you will do in this case? In this case, you are getting that if ordinarily you will go through the calculations, then you will find it will be very lengthy and very some tough. But if you will just make a bracket form, if you will apply this bracket form of expansion, then it will be very easy. You just break 107 into 107. You will find out it like this. 25 into, you can write down it like 100 plus 7. So again you can multiply 25 into 100 plus 25 into 7. So you will get here 2500 plus 25 7 ja. Now it is very easy. It is easy to calculate 175. Now just simply add it. You will get here 2675. 2675. So you are getting that with the help of this bracket expansions, the calculation is become very easy. So in the same way, you can do your calculations according to the situation. Whatever situation you are getting in your problems, accordingly you can create here the brackets. If bracket may be positive or it may be negative, doesn't matter. If here it is negative, then you will apply the same methods, a into b minus a into c. So I hope you understand about the expansion of brackets. So students, this was for the today's class, and I hope you have learned something from this today's class. And if you have any doubts in these two topics, so you just write down your doubts in the comment sections, and I will provide all the necessary information about the doubts to kill. So आज का हमारा क्लास समाप्त हुआ. अभी आपको कोई डाउट है तो हमारे कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख सकते हैं. साथ ही साथ चैनल को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग सब्सक्राइब करें. इस पर हर वो चीज़, हर वो क्वालिटी वाली एजुकेशन जो एक बच्चे को चाहिए, जो उसका कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करे, हर चीज़ों को मैं एक्सप्लेन करके बताऊंगा ताकि आपके कोई भी डाउट्स ना रहें. सो आई होप you have enjoyed this class. Thank you very much.